The time now is 5 o'clock on this Saturday evening, February the 1st, 2014, and it's time now for the weather magician PJ Wiggins. The evening report, Saturday, February the 1st, 2014. Good afternoon, evening, everybody. Our current conditions at 5 o'clock in North Massachusetts, got a temperature 39 degrees with humidity of 48% with fair skies with wind speed about 5 miles per hour, barometer 3.34 inches, dew point about 21 degrees, visibility about 10 miles, and wind chill about 35 degrees.
I agree with that as we go.
Let's take a look at our radar scope. Shows the line of rain showers from Springfield stretching down for central Worcester County down to the northeast of Massachusetts down to southern New Hampshire, stretching down to coastal Maine, southern coastal Maine, and stretching out the coastal Maine. A couple of snow showers in western portions of Maine, down to northern New Hampshire, northern Vermont, down to upstate New York, down to southern Vermont, and down to northwestern and north central Massachusetts. Slated rain showers in central
That's why I take my war.
portions of New York State, and the snow showers stretch from upstate New York down for southern Quebec, down for Ontario, down for Michigan, down for northern Indiana, down for northern Illinois, down for southeastern portions of Wisconsin, northeastern portions of Wisconsin, and the UP and Michigan, down for southern Ontario. Right. And rain showers from western New York and down for northwestern
Artificial heart valves.
Pennsylvania, down for northern Ohio, down for central Indiana, down to southern Illinois, and stretching it down to southern Missouri, down for Arkansas, down for northeastern portions of Texas, down for northern Louisiana. A couple of patches of rain showers in the southern portions of Virginia, down for eastern portions of North Carolina, stretching down the Carolina coast, down for Florida.
Who care for unexpected signs of bleeding?
And rain showers in southeastern portions of New Mexico, down for northwestern Texas. Snow showers in northern portions of Texas, down for western portions of Oklahoma. Snow showers in west central and north central portions of
There's about all medicine.
New Mexico, and stretching in Colorado, down for western Kansas, and then down for Wyoming, and down for northern portions of
If you were someone you love,
Utah, down for eastern and western portions of Idaho. Snow showers in north central portions of Arizona. And rain showers in west central portions of Washington State. Snow and sleet pelts in western coast of Washington. In western mountains of Washington State. Snow showers in near Saskatoon in Saskatchewan. Snow showers in northwestern Alberta and upper eastern portions of British Columbia. Snow showers in southern portions of British Columbia. Fort Pierce, Montana, good evening. 16 degrees with light snow. Okay, let's take a look at our satellite opening shows.
Warmth of the sand, listen to the sound of the surf, marvel at our
Shows a good spread to the clouds from Atlantic Canada, stretching to New England down to the Great Lakes, down to the Central Plains, down into northern Texas and Oklahoma, stretch down into the southwest down to the northern Idaho, and stretch out into eastern Washington down to Oregon, and stretch out to southern British Columbia. And a line of clouds from northern British Columbia, stretching out to Alberta, down to Saskatchewan, down to Manitoba, down to northern Ontario, and stretching out to northern Quebec. Here. Alright, let's take a look at our map situation here. Stationary front from Alberta, stretching all the way down to central Montana, down to Wyoming, and stretching into Colorado, stretching down to New Mexico and close from New Mexico, curving down for Texas, down for Arkansas, stretching down to southeastern Missouri, down for southern Illinois and Indiana. Warm front from Michigan, stretching down to southern Ontario, down for the northern portions of New York State, and a stationary front stretching for central Florida, that's stretching out to sea. High pressure centered in the Carolinas, southeastern Montana, eastern South Dakota, northern Nevada, and southern British Columbia. Front boundary from southwestern Utah down for Arizona. Front boundary from southern California out to sea. It is 37 degrees out temperature right now here in Boston. It's 52 out in Washington, D.C., 57 in Atlanta, 81 in Miami, 78 in Brownsville, 49 in Dallas, Texas, 26 in Kansas City, 30 in Chicago, 20 in Minneapolis, 14 in Great Falls, 18 in Denver, 50 out in Albuquerque, 55. Now 35 in Salt Lake City, 65 in Los Angeles, 56 in San Francisco, and 44 in Seattle. Alright, let's take a look at our HPC forecast discussion here.
Slow down now. Whoa. Oh, let's see how the corner of the green rolls off that. Well,
Heavy rain possible for the lower Mississippi Valley, Tennessee Valley, and the Mid-Atlantic region Sunday and Monday. Rain showers possible for the coastal California West. Snow showers returned for the Mid-Mountain West. Our surface front extending from the lower Great Lakes to the southern plains will continue to push very slowly east to southward throughout the forecast period, and western streaming up from the Gulf of Mexico will support precipitation this evening and tomorrow morning from the southern plains of New England. The heaviest overnight tonight will focus along the just behind the front from the middle of Mississippi Valley to the lower Great Lakes, and most of the stations should be in the form of rain, with the exception of the northern fringe of this band where some accumulating snow could be possible by Sunday morning. More steady precipitation begins to break out across the southern plains, where some mixing of snow and freezing rain may be possible from northern Texas as colder air filters beyond the front end. Heavy rain will begin for the lower Mississippi Valley and the Tennessee Valley in the afternoon hours, with some
second shot and easy.
accumulating sleet or freezing rain and possible, especially across central Arkansas. And by Monday morning, the heavy rain moves into the Mid-Atlantic region. Beyond the front, much colder air moves in, and front of the temperatures could be as much as 10 to 20 degrees below normal for much of the central and southern plains and Midwest. Meanwhile, a weak front just off the southeast coast will keep showers of thunderstorms in the form of a forecast on Sunday. By Sunday afternoon, this boundary weekends and only lingering showers on the left for the coastal and southern Florida. Out west, some weak energy across the Rockies could produce some light snow showers into the mountains or that during the overnight hours Saturday and into Sunday morning. Additionally, upper level energy dropping southwest along the west coast today, and then the development of showers across the coastal California and onshore flow from the North Pacific should bring some light snow showers back to the Pacific Northwest and into the Mountain West. Okay, let's take a look at our 7-day forecast. Let's take a look at our forecast discussion for New England there.
You may have been a little bit confused with the
Synopsis: low pressure from the plains moves northeast throughout the Great Lakes during the weekend and during to draw some mild temperatures in the southern New England. A coastal low may bring snow south of the Mass Pike. Mondays attracts well, of course, a significant winter storm should affect the region during the middle of next week. Visible satellite showing in thin veil of cirrus clouds remain across the region with a thicker band of clouds across the southern New Hampshire, northern Massachusetts, as well as the southern coastal areas at 18 hours. Thicker clouds working east and north out of New York City and North Pennsylvania into the Berkshires. Heavy light precipitation moving across central and western New York into the northern Pennsylvania, northern parts are mainly rain, but see a couple of locations in central New York and northern Pennsylvania have snow, where the heavy air returns the scene. The pretty dry air mass across the region with temperature 2 parts spreads of 20 degrees higher. So it will take a while to saturate the layer for this to reach the ground. So it looks like most of the precipitation will move across the western Massachusetts, southern New Hampshire into this evening. And if you're interested in what is the forecast going to be like for Super Bowl Sunday on the east west river in New Jersey, out in New York City,
Bubba weighs the options.
6:30. It is going to be
16 fast approaching for the leader.
cloudy skies at about 43 degrees here.
You look just
So beautiful weather for the Super Bowl in New York. Okay, let's take a look at our 7-day forecast. It goes like this. For the night, most skies got low in 34 degrees, up wind about 5 to 7 miles per hour. For Sunday, a slight chance of showers. Most skies got high near 48 degrees, southwest wind about 7 to 9 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 20%. Sunday night, slight chance of rain before 2 a.m. Then a slight chance of snow. Most skies got low in 30 degrees. West wind about 8 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 20%. Monday, a chance of snow before 2 p.m. Then a chance of rain between 2 and 3 p.m. Then a slight chance of shower after 3 p.m. Most skies got around near 35 degrees. North wind about 6 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 30%. Little no storm accumulation expected. Monday night, most skies got low in 21 degrees. Light northwest wind. Tuesday, most of the night got high near 36 degrees. Tuesday night, snow mainly after 11 p.m. Low around 26 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 90%. Wednesday, rain, snow, and some sleet. High near 35 degrees. That chance of precipitation is 100%. Wednesday night, a chance of snow. Most skies got low in 20 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%. Thursday, sun got down near 28 degrees. Thursday night, podcast got low in 12 degrees. Friday, most of the sun got down near 28 degrees. Friday night, podcast got low in 17 degrees. For Saturday, part the sun got down near 34 degrees. Peter's word phrase of the evening. A mild night and tap and another mild day and tap. Tomorrow, a couple of showers there. This BJ was happy you have a good evening with a good positive attitude. I'll see you at 11. Have a good evening.
time.